Have you ever told yourself, I'll start tomorrow? Tomorrow feels like the perfect day to begin. Maybe it's exercising, studying, starting a business, or learning a new skill.
In today's video, I will guide you through the complete step of generating a speech and making video using only Canva. The process is simple to follow and can be done in just few minutes. By using these tips, you do not need to go to separate websites for each of the tasks. Here we will do all the steps just by using Canva. So stick around and follow these steps. For this, first in Canva, open a video project. It can be a mobile video of 9:16 or a YouTube video of 16:9 ratio. Now first, let's generate our speech. For this, go to Apps and search for AI Text-to-Speech app.
You can use natural lifelike voices to turn your text into amazing voiceovers.
Here you can choose from the various voices and accent.
You can use natural lifelike voices to turn your text into amazing voiceovers.
Then add your narration text. You can also add pauses, adjust speed, and also add captions. For this, you have to first connect your account with the app. Once done, just click on Generate Speech. The speech will be added to our video.
This is called procrastination, and it's one of the biggest obstacles to success.
This app gives us some free credit. Here we can also use split voices. By doing so, each sentence will split separately. And we will have a better control on how many and long pauses we want in our video. For this, add pages to the video, and then just adjust each audio clips as per your liking.
I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow feels like the perfect day to begin.
Now in the next step, we have to create an image. For this, we will use Canva AI Image Generate. Here, just add your earlier text narration and ask Canva to generate image in a cartoon form. Copy the image that suits our design and then paste it in our project. Now we just have to generate a video of this. For this, go to Apps and search for Speed Painter. Here, add the image. Select the duration of the video. Customize using other options. Here again, connect your account with the app. When done, generate video. Click on Add to Design. Now just synchronize the speed of the video to our audio. And then we will have our final result ready.
Have you ever told yourself, I'll start tomorrow? Tomorrow feels like the perfect day to begin. Maybe it's exercising, studying, starting a business, or learning a new skill. Why procrastination is destroying your success. But then tomorrow arrives, and the task gets pushed to the next day again. This is called procrastination, and it's one of the biggest obstacles to success.
Did you find this tutorial helpful? Like and subscribe for more Canva tips like these.